ID maps and how to use them. So let's go from this to this. To start, let's go ahead and find an object, make sure your high poly has texture. If you decimate, make sure that poly paint is turned on up here. Then inside of Substance Painter, go ahead and open up your bake menu, turn off ID maps, and then we're just gonna bake like normal. Then go ahead and when your bakes are done, turn back on ID maps and make sure material color is set to vertex color. With these bakes complete, go ahead and add a fill layer and then go ahead to the base color and add the color map. Okay, let's upgrade it now. So go ahead and create a folder and name it whatever materials you want to make, and then go ahead and make your own smart material, or just for the sake of this one, we're going to borrow one. Then add a black mask, which lets us paint onto our object, but we want to go ahead, right click, and we want to select add color selection, click the eyedropper, and then select the color that we want to select. From here you can play with the settings and it'll automatically mask out the object based off the colors that you select. Here I'm going to go ahead and add a filter, add a bevel layer, and you can see that I can even bevel off of these settings. Now for creatures it's pretty much the same thing. I'm going to add folders, create different skin layers, and then use this to mask off the layers. You can see for this guy that I actually used it as a base color, and all I did was go in and upgrade the colors to kind of fit a more high realistic detail. But yeah, did this work for you?